Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren, also known as Rosella Beauty on my socials. I hope you enjoy this video. In today's video I'm going to show you a festival inspired look, so plenty of glitter. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get going. So I've done my skincare and I'm now going to go in with the NYX Marshmallow Primer to prime the face. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my hands and I'm going to apply with my hands over the entire face. Now I'm just going to leave that to settle for a few minutes and I will be back. So my primer has been on for a few minutes. I'm now going to go in with the True Portrait Foundation by KVD. This is in the shade Light 008. So I've just applied it to the back of my hand and I'm going to go in with a beauty sponge and apply it evenly over the face, tap it into the skin. So this foundation is a liquid to powder foundation. So I got the Magic Star Concealer in C8. I'm just going to go under the eyes with this. And then blend it into the skin. I'm just going to tap the powder under the eyes. A little bit on the forehead. And that will hopefully set the concealer so I don't get creasing. I'm going to take my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Just apply this to the cheeks. And along the forehead. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm just going to do my nose. So I'm going to go back in with some powder to carve out my nose. And along here. Okay, so I'm just going to let that set for a few minutes. Okay, so the powder is now set. I'm just going to brush it off. Now I'm going to go in with some blush. So I have the Darling Dahlia by Beautaniq Beauty. I'm just going to apply this to the cheeks above the bronzer. So I'm going to apply some setting spray by Lottie London. Then I'm going to take my Get Wet highlighter by Bperfect and Stacey Marie. And this, to be honest, is best applied with a finger. I'm going dramatic with the highlight as it's a festival look. So I'm just going to do the nose. Glowing. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Today I'm going to do my eyebrows with the 24-hour brow setter. So this one by Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm just going to brush my brow hairs up and coat them with the product. I'm just going to lie them flat with the brush. Make sure they stay in place. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. I'll do the next one zoomed in so you can see. Once they're set, I'm going to take the Urban Decay brow blade. And this is in Brunette Betty, and I'm just going to take the pencil and fill in hair-like streaks through the brow. I'm going to take the ink stain and I will just apply some hair-like strokes throughout the brow. Okay, next I'm going to take my Plouise base. This is in shade Rumour 2, and then with my Plouise base brush, I'm just going to carve the eyebrows. So I'm just going to go underneath. I'm just going to take the remainder of the base on my hand and just apply it to the eyelids. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Kaleidoscope Dreams with Tiffany palette. So this is by Makeup Obsession, and as you can see, it's very colourful. And I'm just going to take the shade I mean, which is this red one. So I'm going to take this on a small blending brush, and I'm going to apply it straight onto the eyelid. And the same the other side. So I'm just going to take a clean brush and just blend the edges. I'm now going to go in with this beautiful pink shade, Drama Queen. I'm going to apply that above the red to blend it together. And then I am going to go in with this shade, Fetch. Now I'm just going to apply the Opal Light to the brow bone. And to the inner corners. I'm also going to take this shade here, which is Toxic. And I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. Just blend it into the pink a bit. Now I'm going to take some strip lash glue. I use this literally just for applying glitter. So I'm going to apply some to my eyelid. And then I'm going to take this beautiful glitter and I'm going to apply it on top of the glue. Okay, now I'm going to apply the Makeup Obsessions in Tiffany Kohl eyeliner in Cocktail, so it's a purple. I'm just going to apply this to the waterline. I have the Suva liner UV Brights palette, and I'm going to take this pink shade, so Smoosh, brush that comes with the palette. I'm going to take some of my setting spray to activate this. I'm just going to do the same the other side. Okay, and then I'm just going to repeat the other side. Okay, I've managed to apply these gorgeous lashes. Right, now I'm going to move on to the lips, so I'm going to use this lip liner, which is Pulp by Beauty Bay. I'm just going to line the lips. So now I'm going to apply my lipstick. I have Blood Rush by Pat McGrath, which is a stunning red. Right, so now the makeup's done, I'm just going to quickly do my hair. Okay, so that's the hair plaited. Now I'm just going to take the chunky pink glow glitter in Unicorn. I'm going to apply it to my hair. and that is your finished festival look. I hope you've all enjoyed watching me create this festival inspired look. I look forward to seeing your comments below. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!